Looking good if you want to create this kind of images using AI. I have a tool for you. Hi everyone, welcome to AI Tools Corner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing images with Dreamstudio, an online creative tool that uses AI to generate artworks. You can use different styles, prompts, and settings to create your own unique images. Dreamstudio is made by Stability.ai, the world's leading open-source generative AI company. Let's get started. First, go to the Dreamstudio website and click on the Sign Up button. You can use your email, Google, or Facebook account to create a free account. The free account lets you generate up to 10 images per day, with your liking resolution and pixels. Once you have signed up, you will see the Dreamstudio interface. On the left side, you can choose a style for your image. There are many styles to choose from, such as abstract, anime, cartoon, fantasy, landscape, portrait, and more. You can also create your own custom style by uploading an image or a URL. On the right side, you can enter a prompt for your image. A prompt is a word or a phrase that describes what you want to draw. For example, you can enter a dragon, a sunset over the ocean, or a cute cat. You can also use hashtags to add more details, such as hashtag colorful, hashtag realistic, or hashtag funny. After you have chosen a style and a prompt, you can adjust the settings below. You can change the resolution, the quality, the randomness, and the seed of your image. The resolution determines the size of your image, the quality determines the sharpness and clarity of your image, the randomness determines how much variation and diversity your image will have, and the seed determines the initial state of your image. You can experiment with different settings to see how they affect your image. When you are ready, click on the Generate button and wait for a few seconds. Dreamstudio will use its AI model to create an image based on your style, prompt, and settings. You will see the progress of the image generation on the bottom left corner. Dreamstudio uses Stable Diffusion, a state-of-the-art generative model that can produce realistic and diverse images from text or image inputs. Stable Diffusion is based on the diffusion model framework, which uses a series of noise injections and denoising steps to create images. Stable Diffusion improves the stability and quality of the diffusion process, resulting in faster and better image generation. Once your image is ready, you will see it on the center of the screen. You can zoom in or out, drag, or rotate your image to view it better. You can also compare your image with the original style and prompt by clicking on the Compare button. If you are not satisfied with your image, you can click on the Retry button to generate a new image with the same style, prompt, and settings. You can also click on the Edit button to change the style, prompt, or settings and generate a new image. When you are happy with your image, you can download it or share it with others. To download your image, click on the Download button and choose a format and a name for your image. You can download your image as a PNG, JPEG, or SVG file. To share your image, click on the Share button and choose a platform and a message for your image. You can share your image on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or Reddit. If you want to access more features, such as high-resolution images, advanced settings, and more styles and prompts, you can upgrade to the premium account for $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year. You can also copy the link or the code of your image and paste it on your website, blog, or email. That's it. You have just created an amazing image with Dreamstudio. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to AI Tools Corner for more videos like this. You can also check out the Dreamstudio website, their GitHub page, their Twitter account, and their YouTube channel for more information and examples of images generated by Dreamstudio. Thank you for watching and see you next time.